Hi, welcome to the functions tutorial. In this video I'll be showing you how to use the functions in Excel. Now, as always with computers, there are different ways of doing things. I'll show you two ways of doing functions. The spreadsheet in front of us just works out some test marks for students. So we have the students down the side, we have the results of their 4 tests, and we need to work out the total marks, the average grade and the final grade. Now, if you remember from your formula, we could easily put in here equals this plus this plus this plus this and press enter, and it would give us the total marks. There is a slightly quick way of doing it though, and using spreadsheets is all about making life easier for us. So I'll show you how to use a formula. Now, the first way you can use formulas is by typing them exactly like a formula. So if you know it, you can just type equals sum, and the sum function takes this range, close the brackets, press enter. Gave us the same result as equals this, add this, add this, but I hope using the sum function is slightly quicker. Now, if you look, the difference between a formula and a function is a function has a word in it. In this case, sum. It finds the sum of these cells. This is a range, if you remember from your previous lessons. So a function has a word and a range. Note it has to use brackets as well. Now, obviously, as a new person to Excel, you won't know all the functions. So you can use the function wizard. Now, here we want the average grade. So you can probably guess that we're going to need to use the average function. Now, to find the functions, you go to this button over here. And, oh look, average is already here. But if it isn't, you can always find what you need here. So I'm going to click the average function. Excel guesses where we want. It puts in the word for us, and it puts in the range for us. If the range is wrong, you just simply select the correct range, like that. There you go, look, average, the correct range, press enter, and it works out the average grade. Now, to work out the final grade, I want to find the median of the grades. Now, I don't know if there's a median function, so I'm going to use Excel to help me find out. So again, I need to use the wizard, so more functions, because median isn't here. Median is here, look, so there is a median function. Now, if it wasn't here, there's 2 ways you can find out. One, you can type in here. So let's see if there's a mode function. M-O-D-E, go. And there you go, brings up a mode function. Or you can select categories. So here's recommended. But there's a financial, date and time, statistical, logical, information, lots of different categories. Let's see what's in maths and trig. There you go, so there's lots and lots of things in there for maths and trig. Now, as I said, I need median, so let's type median, go, and it brings up median. Click OK. Now, this brings up the wizard for us, so we need to choose our range now. Now, you could type in here the range, and we want C3 to F3. But that's a bit long. Instead, let's click this button here, and it allows us to select the range. Press enter, a little bit quicker. Now you can test if it gives you the right answer or not straight away. Here's the answer here. Now if this doesn't look right, it's because this here won't be right. Okay, and with the median function, you can keep adding numbers. So if you wanted to just insert numbers, so 56, it would give you the number. but we don't want that, so I'm going to delete them and just click my range again, press enter and click OK. And there you go, the final grade given as a median for us. Now the great thing about formulas, as with most things in Excel, is you can then choose them, use the fill handle to drag them down. Just to double check, it's given us the median of those students. So that's how to use the functions and function wizard in Excel.